Today I'm going to be talking about how to find party and occasion niches that you can tap into when selling digital and downloadable party printables. So printable party products are decorations and related products like invitations that are printed to celebrate special occasions. They're extremely popular. You can sell these particularly on Etsy, and it's a great niche to get into if you are looking to make money with digital downloads and on Etsy. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing how to find your audience and some of the popular niches. So a big part of creating a successful printable shop is understanding your target audience. You want to make sure it's narrow enough that you're reaching the people who want to purchase what you have, because those are going to be the people who are most likely going to buy your products. So basically, there are sort of ways you can look at your niches. There's like a huge niche like parties. And then you want to find more of a smaller niche in that niche, like people who are planning wedding celebrations. So it's not necessarily something that you want to overthink. You can also use some keyword tools like Marmalade, E-Rank, just looking on Etsy just to see what's happening, because most of these successful sellers are focusing on some of these sub niches. So you want to find a niche where there's enough people in there who are buying, but it's also one where you can actually stand out and make sales. So some of the most popular event niches include things like birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, and engagements. So a graduation party is an ideal way to celebrate a big accomplishment. A lot of times this type of search will surge in May and June, for example. So this Etsy seller, Luster Prints, offers a range of products like quotes and other types of things. But one of the things that they do focus on with their digital download artwork is actually graduation prints here. And you can see they're also somewhat personalized. So holidays are another great area to tap into. And some of the more popular ones include things like Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Halloween. And Christmas party printables are actually among the most popular products on Etsy. So this seller, Jenny All Sorts Design, is selling Christmas banner prints. And she also sells other printables like banners for Easter, 4th of July, and so forth. So this is something that she's getting into because people can go through there and download those prints. So as I mentioned earlier, there's lots of tools you can use to find these types of popular niches and ideas like Marmalade, Search Volume, and E-Rank. And this just can save you a lot of time and help you zero in a little bit faster on what you want to be selling. So if you'd like to get started in this niche quickly and easily, I suggest you check out Easy Party Printables. It's my affordable and comprehensive training course that goes over how to get started quickly in this, and also includes done-for-you templates so you can have products up and running pretty much as soon as you download the course. You can get the link below, and I suggest checking it out if you want to tap into this lucrative niche.